Hi, I'm Margaret Lewin and welcome to Margaret Lewin Quilting. Today we are going to be working on block number, let me take this out, then you'll be able to see it easier. Block number 26, which is called City Girl. What I'm working on is Sodus Stitch Pink, which is their 2020 Breast Cancer Awareness Quilt. And we are getting down towards the end. We actually only have 4 more blocks to do after today, and then we'll start putting our quilts together. What we need to do first is to take these, so I'll pick up one of them. We're going to draw a diagonal line from corner to corner. And one of the nice ways to do this on the back side is to flip it over, use your 45-degree line on your ruler, and it will line it up perfectly so that you've got a perfect diagonal line on the back of your fabric. So I'm going to do it to all of these that go onto these pieces. I will press them and come back and show you our next step, which is actually going to be this 9 patch. So I'll be back in just a minute. I've got these side pieces done, and how I did them was I just drew a diagonal line, laid them to the corner, stitched, and then I trimmed the seam and pressed all of the seams open. So those are all ready to go. The next thing that I'm going to do is make my 9 patch, and it's simply these 2 get sewn together, these two, then I add the 3rd, then I'll press them, and then the last thing that I will do is sew those 3 rows together. What those 3 rows together are going to do is allow me to attach these end pieces. Then I'm going to attach these corner pieces to these corner pieces down here, and then I'll be able to sew the whole thing together. What I'm going to do is go ahead and do the 9 patch and finish the block up, because this is all there is to it. This is a really quick and fast, simple block. So I'll be back in just a minute. Here are my completed block number 26. And I'll be honest with you, they were really simple. The first thing I did was I did these pieces right here, and I just did them exactly how they said in the directions with no problems. And then when I went to sew these together, I again did it just as the directions indicated without a problem. I did press all of my seams open on both of them, and that's fine. They seem to both be laying nice and flat without any issues whatsoever. So there is the conclusion to block number 26 of Sodus Stitch Pink 2020 Breast Cancer Awareness Quilt. So I'm very excited with how both of them look. I think they both came out really well. So if you are liking this series of videos, please do consider subscribing to my channel. If you aren't already a part of our Facebook group, do come on out and join us. We do have an awful lot of fun out there, and there's a really nice group of very supportive quilters there. So please do consider joining us, and thanks so much for sticking around to the end, and I will see you tomorrow with block number 27. Thanks everybody. Bye.